Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming for you a Dollar Tree fall wreath, a DIY wreath. So I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but I'm going to film it for you anyway. So hopefully it will turn out good. It was less than $10 for all of the things that you need for this wreath. I got everything from the Dollar Tree. So it is very inexpensive if you want to DIY your own fall wreath. And if you haven't seen it already, I just did a Dollar Tree haul when I went to get all of these supplies. So I'll leave a card up above so that you can go check that video out after you finish watching this one. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a willow wreath from the Dollar Tree, a pair of wire cutters, and your choice of fall colored artificial flowers. I got all of these from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so first I'm just going to be taking all the tags off of everything. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is just cut every flower off of the stem. Okay, well, don't buy these wire cutters because I just broke them. Wow. Okay, let's see if my scissors will cut through them. So make sure you have a good pair of wire cutters. So I'm just going to fast forward through this part and cut off all of these to where they're individually on their own little sprigs. Now that we have all of our flowers cut off into individual little sprigs, we're just going to start sticking them into the wreath form. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Please let me know if you guys enjoyed this video and if you found it helpful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.